You're watching DIYNate. If you enjoy this video, please consider subscribing. Don't forget to tell me about your project in the comments.
Alright folks, on this quick episode of DIYNate, I'm going to show you how to change the time on your Chevy Suburban. This is a 2013 model, but I believe it applies mostly to 2007 all the way through 2012, 2013 timeframe. If your clock formation looks a little bit like this, depending what Chevy or GMC model you have, then it's probably going to follow a similar pattern. So we're going to go ahead and crank our engine a little bit. We're not even going to turn it all the way on. And then here we're going to turn on our power. You'll notice if I click the clock button, nothing happens. But once I turn on my radio power, turn my volume down and hit the clock button here, it's going to go ahead and allow me to program it. Now the time right now is around 4:05, so we're going to go ahead and change our hours to 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to change our minutes to 4:05, and we'll put our date in. Today is, month is March 4th, and we got several years to change, 2025. See what else is on here, and we want a 12-hour day. That's good. We should make it, let's see, it's a PM, so go back one, and we're going to make it, so it would be 4, now it's 4:05 PM, there we go, and we're good to go. And that's how you got to change it. Pretty easy to do, pretty straightforward. The only thing is it can be a little tricky when you're clicking that clock button. You can't figure out why it's not taking it, but once you're done with that, hit your clock button, you're back to normal, got your 4:05 showing up, and you're good to go. You've been watching DIYNate. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Have a great day.
If you enjoyed this video, here are a couple more YouTube things you might like. Thanks again for watching.